We have all heard of Google Stitch, the Gemini-powered design agent that can turn your ideas into beautiful interactive designs, practically automating every front-end developer job. But now, Google has transformed it into a fully AI native vibe design platform, and it is a lot better. Also, thanks to Google Labs for the early access. This redesigned Stitch is smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever before, making it easier than ever to create, iterate, and bring ideas to life. The newly redesigned Stitch comes with a spacious AI native canvas that handles images, code, and text all at once, and it's going to let you manage ideas in parallel, which is a game changer. It's a smarter design agent that can swap logos, critique designs, generate PRDs, or even help you build full on landing pages, all while mixing mobile and desktop screens seamlessly. On top of that, they introduce voice powered vibe designing that lets you go hands free with the Gemini Live integration, where you can explore layouts, talk to Gemini, and get real time feedback. You can even get Stitch to have it so that it can display screens with instant prototypes, auto generate next steps, and use built in design systems with Design MD to manage your brand rules effortlessly. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. If you haven't used Stitch before, you simply just need to have a Google account, and you can simply go ahead and create one if you do not have one, or you can sign in with your Gmail account directly to Stitch and you can access it completely for free. This is the new redefined vibe design platform that Stitch has been revamped to, and it looks amazing. On the left hand side, you have the ability to manage all your projects as well as the projects that are shared with you. Within the main dashboard, you have the ability to create designs for a native mobile app or for a web app, where you can simply paste in your prompt and you want to be as descriptive as possible. After sending in that prompt, it is then going to transfer over to the AI native canvas. This is the new redefined canvas, and it is amazing, guys. Because first, it works upon developing the AI design system for your front end, which you can see with the new color palette, the typography. You have the different elements that will be attributed to your front end design, and it codes it out based off of the design system that is preset, or if you just let Stitch decide, it works upon creating that design palette for you based off of your prompt. And you can see the beautiful front end that was created based off of that simple instruction. This is the native canvas. It's a modern, spacious workspace that will also let you handle code, images, and text all at once. Plus, there's an agent manager that lets you track everything. And within that, you have the ability to manage the different agent logs. So, this is where I had one agent focus on creating the main landing page, whereas the other one was creating the garage user profile page. And that was simply by just requesting another agent to focus on another task in parallel. It's essentially going to let you track progress as well as manage multiple agents so that it is able to develop different sorts of elements for you. Now, within this top header, there is this button called Instant Prototype. And this is where Stitch screens together in seconds. It previews interactive flows instantly, and it lets the AI auto generate the next logical screen based off your clicks. Let me just showcase this. On the left hand side, you have the ability to manage all of your screens. Think of it as individual canvases of your idea or UI. When you click on edit, as you are clicking on all of these different elements, you can request the Gemini agent to implement a change. So, for example, for this bottom section, I can simply just click on it. I have the ability to connect it to the screen. I can change it with AI, or I can imagine a new screen. So, for example, if I imagine a new screen, it'll fully go ahead and code it out live in action for me. And this way, you can generate multiple new screens, multiple new ideas to help you prototype on different sorts of designs for you, which is going to help you get a lot of more ideas as you're generating different sorts of UIs with the Gemini agent. And just like that, it was able to build the bottom section of that overall landing page. And that was based off of the edit that we had requested within this instant prototype feature. And what I like about this new canvas is that you have the ability to visualize all of these previews in different formats, whether that's a mobile format, a tablet, or something based off of a web app. But not just that, within this canvas, you also have the ability to generate variations, regenerate certain things, generate a mobile app version, or use predictive heat maps to get a better understanding of clicks. These are features you probably saw previously within the last Stitch update. You have the ability to modify your edits using annotations, editing based off of different sections, as well as tweaking the design system. This is a really cool feature, guys, because you can either create a new one or import based off of what website that you provide, which is absolutely amazing. So, for example, if I'm providing my Patreon page and if I am to copy this URL, I can simply go back into Stitch, paste this website in, and then import that same design system to my new canvas. And just like that, it was able to mimic the same Patreon page design system directly within this landing page. And that is the quality of this new system, guys. The agents are a lot smarter, and you can tell based off of the quality that it outputs. If you want to export the code as well, you can right click and you have the ability to view the code. And this way, if you want to even have it fully coded out with something like, I don't know, Gemini, the Google AI Studio, or something like, I believe, exporting it to anti-gravity. You have a lot of different options as to how you can do this. So this is where Google is giving everyone a lot of flexibility in terms of using this design tool to do anything. You can even have it swap logos, critique designs like I stated, or generate PRDs, or even full on landing pages like you see over here. Now, you also have the ability to use these different state-of-the-art models like redesign with Nano Banana or Gemini 3 Flash, which works better at HTML and faster efficiency. But something I want to mention is that you can start a live mode where you have the ability to work with the Gemini live agent to prototype and build anything. So if I click on this, I can work with Gemini.
Hey, what are we designing?
Hi, I want to build a new interface for a CRM dashboard, but more modern like.
A modern CRM sounds exciting. What kind of business is this for, and will it mainly be used on desktop or mobile?
Desktop, and it is for an AI business.
Perfect. I imagine a sleek, dark mode aesthetic with clean data visualizations and intuitive navigation for an AI business. On it.
And just like that, we have the new CRM dashboard that was fully coded out based off of me interacting using my voice to generate this, which is just incredible. But something I also want to mention is that within our design system, if you are to click on this plus sign and click add, you have the ability to actually change these different accents, change the font, as well as the corner radius. You also have the ability to actually tweak the design MD where you can describe your design system where you can be as descriptive as possible so that there is a coherent generation across all of your canvases, which is definitely a game changer. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. And that's a look at the all new Stitch, Google's AI native vibe design platform. From its smarter design agent and voice powered vibe designing to instant prototypes and built in design systems. It has never been easier to turn ideas into high fidelity designs. And it's something that you can easily then access its code completely for free as well, which is just incredible. I highly recommend that you try it out with the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take a look at our previous videos as well on the second channel, as well as joining the newsletter, the Discord, follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video. Please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.